quite a while that we don't have any video, so I came across one of the very useful fixing tips that we can fix with no time, no money spending. Okay, now this is a barbecue grill, everybody has it. Now sometimes what happens that your barbecue grill temperature don't go more than 250. So well, what we normally do, we'll just take all the grill off, all the stuff out and try to clean it, and then we were expecting the flame go high, but that is not the cause, that is not the reason. So let me explain you, let me do it for you. It's very easy. First of all, these are your burners, keep it off position. So I'll open it, and then the very important thing, this is a regulator. That regulator is a safety feature that will stop the gas if there's something happen. Now, this regulator is here. What I will do to fix my flame that will go more than 250, I'll just close it off. I'll close it off my propane cylinder completely, and that is closed now, okay? And again, make sure that your knobs are in an off position. And I'll take out my, here, that is my regulator, and the regulator is out. I'll keep this regulator about 60 seconds down, because what happened that if there's a moisture develop in the line, it will go down. So I'll keep it about 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Okay, now it is clean, and then I'll put it back. I'll put it back nicely, and then make sure that no cross thread, and I tied it. It's good. And now I'll open it very slowly. I'll open it very slowly, and I open completely. Once I open it completely, so what happened that, well, the gas will go through the line. Now I turn it on. Here, okay, and turn it on, and my flame is high. My flame is very high, and this is the way we fix it. It's very easy. Again, turn it off your knobs, go and open up your propane, and then drain it a little bit, and then put it back, and then slowly open your propane, and you will get a very nice high 350 degree temperature. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye.